In 1556, a famous Danish astronomer was at the home of a university professor for an engagement party when he got into an argument with a colleague over mathematics. The argument got so heated that 19 days later, the two of them would meet in a dark room for a duel, and the astronomer would lose part of his face. I'm ranking the most fascinating duels in history. This is day 2, let's get into it. So Tycho Brahe is known for being the last major astronomer before telescopes revolutionized the field. His measurements prove that comets came from beyond the moon and were not atmospheric phenomenon, which challenged the prevailing wisdom of the time. He is known for helping to launch the scientific revolution, which came at the end of the Renaissance due to his obsession with accuracy. But he had a bit of a fiery temper, and when a colleague challenged him over mathematics, he could not let it go. Now, the argument was either about who was a better mathematician or a specific math problem. I've seen it described both ways, but it apparently simmered for weeks, and Tycho and his colleague decided to settle it with a duel. The two of them went into a dark room armed with swords, and I guess they planned on flailing around until someone got injured or died. That someone ended up being Tycho, who lost almost his entire nose. In those days, dueling scars were considered kind of cool, but what's not cool is not having a nose, and Tycho would have a fake one made out of brass that he would wear for the rest of his life. In general, he was a pretty colorful guy. He employed a dwarf he used to entertain the scientists in his laboratory, and he kept a pet moose. But the moose unfortunately would meet with a tragic fate after Tycho loaned him out to a noble. During a party, the guest plied the moose with beer until he got drunk and started wandering around a castle. It tripped down some stairs and broke its leg, dying of the wound shortly after. That's all for now. Follow along for the next duel on the list.